I'm András Landai and I work as a data analytics manager in Bitrise. At Bitrise, we are using Freshpaint mostly for tracking. Our biggest challenge is that Bitrise as a product is a relatively complex product, and that's what we are using Freshpaint to ensure that every feature that we are building that's easy to use, is transparent, and developers can start with that relatively fast.
So Bitrise is a mobile CI/CD company, and we help developers in the process of releasing their work, where they push to a repository to run tests, get a build done, and need to release it to the App Store. We simplify that. I'm István Rekner, a staff data analyst for Bitrise, and I work mostly with product teams to help them make better decisions based on data. Without Freshpaint, we would definitely need to implement a lot more events by our developers. So Freshpaint basically saves us this work.
The data that we are collecting using Freshpaint is important because we can make the right product decisions. We have a limited resource of developers and data engineers and data analysts, and we have to ensure that every action that we take, that's the best possible action that we can make, so we make the right decisions. If we wouldn't have Freshpaint auto-track enabled, that would mean that we have to constantly request software engineers or development teams to add tracking to the solutions. Because it has to be added to the sprint, even if it's a high priority feature, it would take at least a week or two to get developed. So even for a high priority feature, it could take 2 or 3 weeks. For something lower priority, it could probably take over a month to answer certain questions. Since we are using Freshpaint AutoTrack, setting up the events usually take a couple hours, and creating the report same max a day. So compared to the 2 or 3 weeks of waiting for the engineering teams, it takes a day or two to create the full learning. We have used multiple tracking solutions, and one of the reasons that we are working with Freshpaint is that the support is very helpful and it's always fast. And if we have any issue or any challenge that is priority on our side, they handle it with priority as well.